In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Mafia Definitive Edition. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open 100% save. And now navigate to Documents. Open My Games, Mafia Definitive Edition, Data, Saves. And you just need to pack up these two folders. Create a folder called Backup and copy these two folder and paste it in this backup folder. Once you're done, drag and drop this 100% save file inside this location and replace file in the destination. And now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, select free ride, enter free ride. As you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.